Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivational video. If you are new, welcome. Today we'll be cleaning and organizing my friend Nicole's basement. This is part 2 of a mini series. If you did not see part 1, I have pasted the link below. My channel is about cleaning with me and really just to help others with task avoidance. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any other videos.
When Nicole started her YouTube channel, I had asked her if she wanted to help clean and organize my basement. I'm a single mom and also a part-time student, so doing the basement was not a big priority for me.
Nicole was going to throw away her water shoes. I was telling her, no, you will need them for Jamaica. We're taking a trip next year, and there's lots of water activities we'll be doing while in Jamaica.
Me and my daughter are very blessed, so we will be giving away most of these things to donations, the stuff that she's outgrown or even the things that have not been opened. We have organized these bins into different categories: re-gifting, donations, family and friends, keeps, arts and crafts, knickknacks, because kids always have knickknacks, and garbage and recycling.
Nicole has lots of bags. Birthday bags, Christmas bags, plastic bags, you name it, she has a bag for it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a room in your home that you neglect. At this moment, I was thinking, I do not like putting things together. Where is James? This is his department. For those of you who are new, James is my fiance.
In total, we have 16 bags of donations that we will be donating to the Diabetes Foundation. I hold this charity very close to my heart. Diabetes is something that has personally affected me, as several members of my family have been diagnosed with this illness and have died from it also.
Remember, this is part 2 of a 3-part mini-series on Nicole's basement. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was a great motivational tool for you to tackle that room in your home that you've been avoiding, or you just don't want to deal with. If you've liked my video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Kat Chiliata.